Hey guys, welcome back to erebuilds. So we finally here at Auto Works of Atlanta. We said that in the previous video we was gonna come to Auto Works of Atlanta, do some work. So we finally got here. So they have this 2023 Ford Transit van. It was, as you can see, the damage is right here. Have an accident in the back. So I'm actually going to start to repair this van. So they have a drive-up frame machine, but because of the length of this van, it's too long. It can't get up on the frame machine, so they bought a machine from on Amazon. So I had to lengthen it because of the length of this van. So we have to tie it down on this side so we can actually start to do the repairs on this van, guys. Guys, stay tuned for the process. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. All right, so guys, as you can see, this is where you take the impact of the locks right here on this van. So you got the whole side that's damaged. So I'm gonna back off so you can see. And the door. And the door, you see, don't open and close properly. So the door don't open and close properly. So we gotta pull, actually gotta pull here so we can get this hinge pillar back in line. As you can see, the quarter buckle over here, all the way over here is buckle. We gotta repair all of that. So, all right guys, so you see, this is a brand new machine right here. This here was bought from Amazon, guys. Amazon have everything. So what I had to do is get the owner jack to go to the metal shop, and I lengthened this, guys, and I put a bolt right here. See, I didn't want to bore you guys with a long boring video of how I built this and lengthened, because it's just one piece of tubing, and we just put a hole right here so we can put the chain on there and just make it, guys. So we'll start the process of the pulling, guys. Show you how we hook this van up and pull it. So let me show you the machine they have right here. So this is the shop. They have a paint system machine, guys. They do pretty good work here, guys. So they just brought me on the team. So I'm happy to be here, guys. So some cars that have to fix. This is a spray boot. So guys, this is a frame machine. As you can see, the width, it's not wide enough to hold that big van, guys. So that's why we gotta use that machine. This is a 2-tower machine. So I'll show you some pulls on this too. As soon as I finish that van on the floor. This is one of the cars that they just finished right here, Auto Works of Atlanta. This is a Corvette. It's awesome, guys. Wow, these guys do awesome work up here, guys. So if you're in Atlanta and you need some work done, just come on up here. The Auto Works of Atlanta, guys. And I will be here. So you know you'll be well taken care of.